اوعى تعتقد ان الشعب المصري هيسكت تاني يا ولاد العرس. رسالة للحكومة الإنجليزية بالإنجليزي. This message please deliver it to the English government and MI6. You made a fucking big mistake yesterday by arresting Mido in front of the Egyptian embassy. While he was trying to defend his country, while he was trying to defend his embassy, while he has the honor and he is standing like a man, like a lion, and you are trying to arrest him. 5 police officers trying to arrest this man in front of everybody while he is trying to stand by his embassy. And you let this Anas Habib from the other side of the roads laughing and smiling. We know that you are supporting the Muslim Brotherhood in Egypt. We know how you are feeling. But remember that we have an English embassy here in Cairo. Remember, what you are doing in England, what you are doing in London, we can do exactly the same. Exactly the same in Cairo. Exactly the same in Cairo. Try to handle this as soon as possible. Try to release Mido as soon as possible. Believe me, we will stand by Mido until the end. We will not let him down. We will not let him in the prison in your country. We will take him out and you will release him. If you want, if you will not want, if you will, if you will not will, believe me, we will make everything possible that we will make this fucking pressure until you release this man. وفي الاخر ولاد العرس بيعملوا ايه؟ بيساوموا عشان علاء عبد الفتاح يطلع. مين علاء عبد مين؟ علاء عبد الفتاح. علاء عبد الفتاح هيعيش ويموت جوه السجن يا ولاد العرس. ان كل دوله بتحاول ان هي تعتدي على السفاره المصريه على اراضيها. لكم عندنا سفاره يا ولاد العرس. خدوا بالكم. اقفوا جنب بلدكم عشان الجيم بقى معروف ما فيهوش ها ما فيهوش علويه، ما فيهوش خولنه. يا تبقى راجل يا تشد بلاستر وتقعد جنب امك نقي الرز على الناصيه وسيب الرجاله هي اللي تتعامل. احنا مش واقفين بنتفرج ومش هنسيب رجالتنا بره بيتقبض عليهم عشان شويه خوانات خدامين للصهاينه وخدامين للام اي 6. احنا رجاله. مصر فيها رجاله، فيها 110 مليون ذكر هيقدروا يحطوا على الانجليز في اي مكان في اي حته، شاء من شاء وابى من ابى. والله العظيم تحيا مصر، والله العظيم تحيا مصر، والله العظيم تحيا مصر.